Very important topic, that is ray diagram. So what is the importance of ray diagram? Let's understand this. First, students, you all know that the one that is in front of the mirror is called as object and the one that is formed in the mirror is called as image. So we have two things, object and image. Now students, distance of the image from the object can be found out by a method called as ray diagram. So in simple terms, if I say what is ray diagram, it is a method which is used to find out the distance between the object and the image. So I can say that it is a method of locating the position of the image. Now ray diagram, it also helps us to find or to determine the nature of the image. Let's understand what do you mean by the word nature. Nature means first, the image can be an erect image. Erect, it means straight. So whenever you get a straight image, we'll say that the image is erect. Next, if you get a larger image, then you call it as a magnified image. So in simple terms, if the image is bigger in size than the object, then you will call it as a magnified image. Coming to the third nature, that is inverted image. What do you mean by the word inverted? In simple term, it is ulta image, right? Or I can say upside down. So if you get an image which is upside down, then you call it as inverted image. Finally, you have diminished image. Diminished means if the image is smaller in size than the object, then you will call it as a diminished image. So we have four types of nature, that is erect, magnified, inverted and diminished. Now students, first let's understand a basic thing, that is how to draw the basic diagram. Now in basic diagram, students, first you should know to draw the base diagram, and let's see how to draw that. You take a scale and then you make a straight line. Now from the extreme right hand side, that is from here, you will mark 3 centimeter. This straight line is called as the principal axis. So again we place the scale and from the extreme right hand side, you will mark a point called as P, that is pole, right? So the pole is marked at 3 centimeter. Again, what you have to do is you will place a protractor. Now when you place the protractor, take care students that the 90 degree of the protractor should coincide with the line. So the 90 degree will coincide with the line, and then what you have to do is you will take the pencil, mark 4 lines above, 4 lines below. Now students, here I am teaching you how to make a concave mirror. So concave mirror, you all know that the reflecting side is inside, so the opaque side will be outside. To make the outside opaque, what you have to do is you have to draw short oblique lines, right? So this is nothing but this is the opaque side. Now students, from the pole, again what you have to do is you will mark 2 centimeter and you will mark a point called as F, and you all know F means focus. From focus, again you mark 2 centimeter and that becomes center of curvature. So in this manner students, here you can see we have the base diagram ready. This is the basic diagram for making a ray diagram. So always remember students, whenever we draw a ray diagram, first and foremost you make the base of the ray diagram, and that is the base of the ray diagram.